Hello everyone, welcome to StudyTube. Today we will perform experiment number 2 of Digital Electronics Lab. Realization of basic logic gates using universal gates. What are the universal gates? Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. The NAND and the NOR gates can be used to produce any logic function. That is why they are referred as universal gates. NAND gate. NAND gate implies an AND function with a complemented output. Logic of two input NAND gate. Y equal to A dot B whole bar, where Y is the output and A, B are two inputs. Logic symbol of two input NAND gate is look like this. NAND gate IC number is 7400. Now we will see the pin configuration of IC 7400. This is a 14 pin IC. Pin number 7 is ground and pin number 14 is VCC. There are 4 NAND gates in this IC. We have to follow the input and output pin number of the IC for making the connection. Now we will use NAND gate to design NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. NOT gate using NAND gate. Logic of NOT gate. Y equal to A bar, where Y is the output and A is the input. The circuit diagram of NOT gate by using NAND gate. You can see here only one input A is given to both the input pin of NAND gate, and the NAND gate output Y equal to A dot A whole bar equal to A bar. So this is the logic of NOT gate. Here pin number of NAND gate IC is given for your reference. Input pin number 1 and 2 and output pin number 3. Now we will make the circuit on Dell Sim simulator. So first of all you have to log in. Then you have to take IC 7400 by the add IC option. Detailed process of using this simulator is discussed in the previous video. Link of the video is in I button. Now you have to connect pin number 20 to VCC and pin number 7 to ground. In the circuit we need only one input. So pin number 1 is connected to the input panel. Now there is another input pin for NAND gate, as this is a 2 input NAND gate. So pin number 2 will be connected to the same input. By this process we are giving only one input. Now take the output from pin number 3 and connect to output panel. So the circuit is completed. Power on the simulator, and we have to verify the truth table of NOT gate. In the first case, input is 0, output is 1. Now change the input to 1 and the output is 0. So the truth table of NOT gate is verified. Now we will make AND gate using NAND gate. Logic of two input AND gate. Y equal to A dot B, where Y is the output and A, B are two inputs. The circuit diagram of AND gate using NAND gate. Here we can see there is two NAND gates used. In the first NAND gate, two input A and B given. So the output of the first NAND gate is A dot B whole bar. Now we have to complement this output to get the desired output. So we have to use NOT gate. But as the circuit only made of NAND gate, so we are using the previous circuit of NOT gate. Output from the first NAND gate is the input of second NAND gate, and both the input are same. So the output will be A dot B. Now we have to make the circuit. You have to take IC 7400. Connect pin number 20 to VCC and pin number 7 to ground. Now following the circuit diagram, we have to take two different input at pin number 1 and pin number 2. Now the output from pin number 3 will be connected to pin number 4 and also to pin number 5. So the second NAND gate get the input. Final output will be taken from pin number 6. In the circuit diagram, pin number is given for your reference. You also can use any other input-output combination of NAND gate. Now power on the simulator. We have to verify the truth table of AND gate. First case, both the input is 0. So the output is 0. Now the second case, here A is 0 and B is 1. So the output is 0. Third case, here A is 1 and B is 0. So the output is 0. And in the last case, both the input is 1. So the output is 1. So the truth table of AND gate is verified. Now we will make OR gate using NAND gate. Logic of two input OR gate. Y equal to A plus B, where Y is the output and A, B are two inputs. Circuit diagram. Here we need 3 NAND gates for making OR gate. In the first NAND gate, only one input, A, is taken. So the output of the first NAND gate is A bar. In the second NAND gate, also one input B is taken. So the output of the second NAND gate is B bar. In the third NAND gate, the inputs are the output from first and second NAND gate. So A bar and B bar is the input of third NAND gate. So the output is A bar dot B bar whole bar equal to A plus B by using the De Morgan's theorem. This is the logic of OR gate. Now we have to make the circuit. Again, you have to take IC 7400. Pin number 20 will be connected to VCC and pin number 7 is connected to ground. Now following the circuit diagram, we have to make the connection. Here pin number is given in the circuit for your reference. Pin number 1 and 2 is connected to same input. Also pin number 4 and pin number 5 is connected to another input. So two input is taken at first and second NAND gate. Now the output of first and second NAND gate will be the input of third NAND gate. Pin number is given 10 and 9. So we have to follow pin sequence that is discussed in the first video. Here pin number 10 and 9 means pin number 16 and pin number 15 of IC base. So output of first NAND gate connected to pin number 16 and output of second NAND gate connected to pin number 15. Final output will be taken from third NAND gate. So here pin number 8 means pin number 14 in the IC base. So output taken from pin number 14. Now power on the circuit and we have to verify the truth table of OR gate. In the first case, when both the input 0, output is 0. In the second case, when A equal to 0, B equal to 1, output is 1. Third case, A equal to 1, B equal to 0, output is 1. And in the last case, when both the input 1, output is 1. So the truth table of OR gate is verified. Now we move to NOR gate. NOR gate implies an OR function with a complemented output. Logic of two input NOR gate is y equal to a plus b whole bar, where y is the output and a, b are two inputs. Logic symbol of two input NOR gate is look like this. NOR gate IC number is 7402. Now we will see the pin configuration of IC 7402. This is also a 14 pin IC. So pin number 14 is VCC and pin number 7 is ground. Here the alignment of the gate is different. So pin number 2 and 3 input and pin number 1 is output, like this. Now we will use NOR gate to design NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. NOT gate using NOR gate. Logic of NOT gate is already discussed. Circuit diagram. Like NAND gate circuit, here also only one input is taken to both the input pin. So the output y equal to a plus a whole bar equal to a bar, which is the logic of NOT gate. Here you have to take IC 7402 by the same process. First of all, you have to connect pin number 20 to VCC and pin number 7 to ground. Now, following the circuit diagram, pin number 2 and 3 should be connected to same input. So, pin number 2 and 3 connected to only one input here. Now the output from pin number 1 is connected to output panel. So the circuit is completed. Power on the simulator, and we have to verify the truth table of NOT gate. In the first case, input is 0, output is 1. Now change the input to 1, output is 0. So the truth table of NOT gate is verified. Now we will make AND gate using NOR gate. Logic of AND gate is already discussed. Circuit diagram. Here we need 3 NOR gates for making AND gate. In the first NOR gate, only one input A is taken, so the output is A bar. In the second NOR gate, only one input B is taken, so the output is here B bar. Now in the third NOR gate, the inputs are A bar and B bar from the first and second NOR gate output. So the output of third NOR gate is y equal to A bar plus B bar whole bar equal to A dot B by using De Morgan's theorem. This is the logic of AND gate. Now we have to make the circuit. Again you have to take IC 7402. Pin number 20 and 7 connection is same. Now following the circuit diagram, pin number 2 and 3 is connected to same input. Also pin number 5 and 6 is connected to another input. So 2 input is taken at first and second NOR gate. Following the pin sequence, here pin number 8 and 9 means pin number 14 and 15 in the IC base. So the output of first NOR gate is connected to pin number 14 and output of second NOR gate is connected to pin number 15. Now the final output is taken from pin number 16 as it is the output of third NOR gate. Now power on the simulator. First case, both the inputs 0, so the output 0. Second case, A is 0, B is 1, so the output is 0. Third case, A is 1, B is 0. Output is here 0. And in the last case, both the inputs 1. So the output is here also 1. So the truth table of AND gate is verified. Now we will make OR gate using NOR gate. Logic of OR gate is already discussed. Circuit diagram. Here in the first NOR gate, two different inputs A and B is taken. So the output is A plus B whole bar. Now we have to complement this output. So we are using another NOR gate to complement this input A plus B whole bar. Now the final output is A plus B. This is the logic of two input OR gate. Now again you have to take IC 7402. I have already taken it. Pin number 20 and pin number 7 connection is also same. Now following the circuit diagram, we have to take two different input at pin number 2 and pin number 3. Now the output from pin number 1 will be connected to pin number 5 and pin number 6. Final output will be taken from pin number 4 and it will be connected to output panel. So the circuit is completed. Now power on the simulator and we have to verify the truth table of OR gate. First case, both the inputs 0. Output is 0. Second case, A is 0, B is 1. Output is 1. Third case, A is 1, B is 0. Output is 1. And in the last case, both the inputs 1. Output is also 1. So the truth table of OR gate is verified. So I hope in this video you have learned and understand how to make basic gate using universal gate. If you like this video, then click the like button and share with your friends. For more this type of content, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for get the notification of the next video. Stay updated with StudyTube.